Sometimes you'll come across a severely disappointing situation, and you're going to think it's not going to happen for me. This video is going to help you remove that thought from your head and replace it with something that's going to allow you to move forward to your dreams and life purpose. Hi, I am Olympia LePoint, host of Answers Unleashed, seen on AnswersUnleashed.com, and today's video is about learning to take that negative thought of it's not going to happen and replacing it with something better. Behind me is a dream catcher. Dream catchers are designed to catch negative thinking while you sleep and allow you to have a wonderful rest. I am Native American, and I have dream catchers in my home to help me remove negative thoughts when I sleep. These dream catchers are extremely helpful. But I can't take these dream catchers with me every place I go. I can't take it to the supermarket. I can't take it to the boardroom. I definitely can't take it on TV sets. So the question is, how can we catch negative thinking while we are awake so we don't hold on to that thought and allow that thought to cripple us from moving forward? So often, when we come across a disappointing situation, we will think it's not going to happen. I'm not going to be able to create my company. If you have a debt, you'll think I'm not going to be able to pay off this debt. If you have issues with being able to carry children, you think I'm not going to be able to ever have a child in the future. So often, we will limit ourselves by holding on to a negative thought. And I've done that myself. When I was younger and I applied to the school that I really wanted to go for aerospace, I was rejected. And I thought, I'm never going to become a rocket scientist. Later on in years, I did, but I had to change my thinking. That type of thinking, which is, it's never going to happen for me, is how you cripple yourself from moving forward. And I learned that in my own life. When I held on to the thought that it's never going to happen for me, I then allowed, it's almost like a negative spirit. I allowed the negative spirit of fear to cripple me, to think that I was not going to achieve the great things that was in store for my life. And I'm telling this to you because I have a feeling that you are listening to this particular video for a reason. You see, there's something great that's about to happen in your life, but whatever has happened, whatever discouraging situation that has occurred, you think it's not going to happen for you. Why try? And I am here today to give you and myself the same message, which is you have to isolate and catch that negative thought and throw it out. Just like this dream catcher catches a negative thought in a dream, you have to catch that negative thought while you're awake and throw it out. Instead of thinking it's not going to happen for you, I want you to think about this. It's going to happen, and I will usher it in my life. It's going to happen, and I will usher it into my life. When you take the negative thought of it's not going to happen and you isolate that from your brain, it doesn't give you that crippling feeling where you think that nothing that you do is going to matter. When you isolate that thought and you throw it out and you replace it with, I'm going to usher it into my life, and I'm going to allow it to happen. That empowers you. That gives you the thinking that's needed to take hold of your situation and find answers. And these answers are unleashed in your life so you're able to do great things and things that defy odds. See, I have been in situations in which I have been extremely disappointed. But I've had to wake up, pick myself back up, and instead of thinking it's not going to happen, I had to think, it's going to happen, and I'm going to usher it in so it does. You have to take that same mindset. And I'm telling you this because this video is not only for myself, which will remind me to keep moving forward. It's for you. It's for you to remember that no matter what disappointing situations come, you can still move forward. It's still going to happen, and you're going to usher it into your life. I'm Olympia LePoint, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Check out more videos on AnswersUnleashed.com. I am Olympia LePoint, and I'll see you next time.